Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will further elaborate the topic investment fluctuation reserve through question number 28, further cases. Case first and case second I explained you yesterday. Now comes the chance of case third to be explained to you. Here in this case, what is happening? The investment fluctuation reserve amount is more than the fluctuation in the investment. Fluctuation means the decrease in the investment value. I am showing you the question and the fluctuation in case number 3 related to question 28. Just see, have a look over. Investment fluctuation reserve was of rupees 54,000 in this question. On the liability side you can see, and on right hand side, that is asset side, you can see investments cost is 6 lakh rupees. Now have a look over case number 3. If the market value of investment is rupees 5,91,000, means from 6 lakh there is fall in the value of investment to 5,91,000. This is a fall of 6 lakh minus 5,91,000, that is 9,000 rupees fall. So this fall, this fluctuation, this loss in the value of investment will be recovered from where? From the investment fluctuation reserve appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet. And hence what we need to do, we have to just subtract 9,000 from 54,000. Resultantly, what we will get? 45,000 rupees as a residual value of investment fluctuation reserve to be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. Okay. Now just see the explanation on the board. After the topic, I have written here, investment fluctuation reserve IFR is greater than investment fluctuation, means the decrease in the value of investment is lesser than the reserve maintained on the liability side of the balance sheet. Now in such a case, what type of journal entry is to be passed is IFR account debit. Whatever is the value of investment fluctuation reserve appearing on the liability side, it will be written over here. To investment account will show the decrease in the value of investment. As you know, the decrease in the value of investment, that is asset, is shown on the credit side, and hence we are showing investment on the credit side. Okay. Remaining amount of IFR which remain unutilized due to fluctuation in the investment will be distributed among all partners in the old ratio. Okay, old ratio already I explained you. Is the profit sharing ratio between the old partners. Previously, whatever the old partners profit sharing ratio was there, it is known as old profit sharing ratio, right? We need not to consider here the new profit sharing ratio. Here the old partners are A, B and C, and their old profit sharing ratio is 432. Okay. Now on the basis of this basic journal entry on the left hand side board, we are going to solve the question number 28, case 3. Just see. IFR account debit The reserve maintained related to investment fluctuation was of rupees 54,000 as appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet. Out of 54,000, 9,000 rupees was utilized to recover the loss due to investment fluctuation by 9,000 rupees. Earlier the value of investment was rupees 6 lakh rupees, but according to case 3, now the value of investment is 5,91,000. So there is a decrease of 9,000 rupees. The IFR amount which remain unutilized is 54,000 minus 9,000, that is 45,000. Now this 45,000 rupees will be distributed among old partners in the old ratio as their right over the undistributed IFR. So we need to just distribute 45,000 rupees in 432. Just see the distribution. 45,000 multiplied by 4 upon 9. You will get the answer 20,000. 45,000 multiplied by 3 upon 9, you will get 15,000. 45,000 multiplied by 2 upon 9, you will get 10,000 rupees. So these are the respective shares of old partners A, B and C in the undistributed IFR amount, and will be written in front of A, B and C on the credit side of the amount column. You can see the narration. Transfer of excess IFR, that is 45,000, to old partners in which ratio? Old ratio, 432. Just add 432, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. 9 will be the denominator here. Means previously the partners A, B and C used to divide the profit or losses in 9 parts, and among the 9 parts, 4 parts belong to A, 3 parts belong to B and 2 parts belong to C. Okay. Similarly, the remaining or undistributed IFR is being distributed among partners A, B and C. Now just have a look over the left hand side board and take the screenshot of the solution. This solution you need to fear it. Just fear up the left hand side explanation. After taking the screenshot, now take the screenshot of the right hand side portion of the green board. Okay, just copy any of your notebook. This is the remaining portion. A YouTube video link will be shared by me in the class group. Repeatedly you watch the video, because after repeatedly watching the video only you can just get the explanation. Otherwise the further case number 4th and 5th will not be clear if this case is not clear regarding investment fluctuation reserve to you. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. We'll meet you soon in the next online class session of accountancy.